how to generate a free SARS-compliant payslip in under 5 minutes. No sign-up required. Start by searching Google for Free Payslip Generator South Africa. You'll find payslipgenerator.co.za right at the top of the results. Click through to the site. You'll land on the payslip generator with the form on the left and a live preview on the right. Everything updates in real time as you type. Let's start with company information. Enter your company name and address. These will appear at the top of the payslip. You can also add your company logo and a portal URL, but those are optional. Next, open employee information. Fill in the employee's name, ID number, and job title. Enter their age. This is used to calculate the correct SARS tax rebate. Set the number of medical dependents if applicable. Now for pay details, the most important section. Choose your pay period, monthly or weekly. Select the month and tax year. Enter the basic salary amount. Watch the preview. PAYE and UIF are calculated automatically using the official SARS 2025/2026 tax tables. Add any allowances or additional deductions here. You can expand bank details to add the employee's bank name, account number, and branch code for EFT reference. Under tax references, add the employee's tax number and your company's PAYE and UIF reference numbers. If you want to show leave balances, toggle that option on and enter annual leave, sick leave, and family responsibility leave days. You can also toggle on employer costs to show SDL and UIF contributions. Now choose how your payslip looks. Pick a layout. Modern, retail, and domestic worker are free. There are over 15 premium templates for different industries too. Select a color theme: classic green, corporate blue, minimal grayscale, or modern teal. Check the live preview on the right. You'll see the full payslip with gross earnings, PAYE, UIF, all deductions itemized, and the net pay at the bottom. Make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy, click Download PDF. You'll be prompted to sign in. You can sign in with Google, one click, or create an account with your email. If you use email, you'll need to verify it first. Check your inbox for the verification link, then come back and click I've verified, sign in. Once signed in, click Download PDF again. Your payslip is generated instantly as a professional PDF and saved to your device. Free users get 1 download per month, which resets on the 1st of every month. You can also print directly, email the payslip to your employee, or send it to the employee self-service portal. Your form data is saved automatically, so you can come back anytime to generate next month's payslip. That's it. A SARS-compliant payslip in under 5 minutes, completely free. Visit payslipgenerator.co.za to generate yours now.